Tired.
Sleep literally at all?
No.
For real?
None. How would I? When you got two train wrecks on this side and this side.
It's gonna be grumpy today.
The nice thing is, I bet Kimberly sleeps well every night. Because, you know, she's probably what? This far from you?
Yeah.
When you sleep? From your face? You alright? I looked over there twice. Dude.
See if I was gonna make it.
It's like, is he choking on his pillow? It's gonna give me at least 10 more minutes of calm. But two seconds later.
You're such an exaggerator.
Oh
my God.
Blow your nose or something.